Hi, my name is Abdul El-Kayali. I am a co-founder and vice president of Certified Nutraceutical Inc. We are located in California. We manufacture ingredients for cardiovascular, bones, ligaments, and anti-aging products are made from nature. 100% all of our products are made from nature. We focus again on making people live a little bit longer, healthier, and hopefully disease-free. We were the first company back in 1986 to introduce hydrolyzed collagen into the health food industry. Fast forward from 1986, we are the pioneers of making collagen products, including a lot of plant-based products that actually focuses on human health, again, to live better, healthier, and hopefully disease-free. Certified Nutraceuticals specializes in manufacturing many different anti-aging products. We specifically are experts in manufacturing different types of collagen products. Collagen is the most abundant protein that it's found in the body. 33% of our body is made up of collagen. It's in the ear, in the teeth, in the eyes, bones, ligaments, tissues. Collagen is everywhere. Simply put, without collagen, our body would just fall apart. See, collagen is a protein. It's made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of life. So it's really important to understand why collagen is so important. And again, the source of collagen, it only comes from animal source. There is no such a thing as collagen from vegetarian. Anybody that tells you collagen is made up of vegetarian, it does not exist. It is, the only source is made of animal, and therefore it is an abundant protein. It's a very important protein. So to understand the different types, there are 28 different types that have been discovered to date, but we only use 5 different types. We use 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. These are the most used up collagen, and of course, each one has a specific function. So this is why it's important to understand what each type does for the body and to differentiate between the sources. So therefore, you understand how to use the collagen in order for our body to benefit 100%. As I mentioned, collagen has a different function and there are different types of collagen. So we are going to start with type 1 and 3 collagen. Now, most of us that know about collagen, they only think in terms of collagen type 1. Yes, collagen type 1 is 90% in the skin, but also in the tendon, cornea, and the organs. But however, collagen type 1, it's not by itself. It always comes with collagen type 3. See, collagen type 3 is the reticular fibers that are found in the skin as well. So it plays a role in the production of collagen type 1. So they always come in collagen 1 and 3. And collagen 1 and 3 is always hydrolyzed, meaning we are breaking down the molecular weight because, see, collagen is a large molecule. So if we break down the molecular weight by hydrolyzing too low, we destroy nutrients. If we hydrolyze it too high, the body cannot absorb it. So it has to be specific molecular weight in order for the body to absorb it. In addition, the dosage is very important. So these play a role in how the collagen actually is absorbed through our body. So type 1 and 3, again, it's for skin, hair, and nails. However, in the market, you will see different types of collagen that it's made from different source. So it is important to understand the source because a lot of products that you will see on the market, they only tell you it's hydrolyzed collagen, but they don't tell you, or they even say hydrolyzed protein. So they don't really tell you what the source. So we have to know what the source is. Is it coming from skin, from bones, from crushed bones? Is it coming from the scales? Because the nutrients in each one makes a huge difference. So the best type of collagen type 1 and 3 is really from the skin of a fish, and specifically wild caught from deep ocean water is the best collagen type 1 and 3. So this is what you need to understand about the collagen type 1 and 3 because other sources come from pig, which is, again, it's a pork. Then the other source come bovine, which is from the hide. And also the way it's processed, it makes a difference in the nutrients. So the best collagen type 1 and 3, again, it's from the skin. It has the highest bioactivity and bioavailability nutrients that the body can benefit 100% for skin, hair, and nails. So now we're going to discuss collagen type 2. Collagen type 2 is actually the main component of our cartilage. In addition, it is in the vitreous body. The vitreous body, it exists right here in our eye. Actually, it helps. There's a clear gel that helps our retina and helps our vision. So it's an important type, but also it's important to understand that type 1 and 3 that we discussed earlier cannot be used for the cartilage and joint health. It's used for skin, hair, and nails. And also the source of type 2, it comes from chicken sternum, which is a total different, again, source when we talk about 1 and 3. So that's why it's important to understand these differences in order for us to know what we are taking and for what purpose I am taking that collagen. The amino acid profile for collagen type 2 differs from type 1 and 3. So this is another important factor to understand, because the amino acids in collagen type 2 actually are, especially the hydroxyproline, is much lower than type 1 and 3. But in addition, collagen type 2 has something called protoglycans or GAGs. And these protoglycan and GAGs does not exist in collagen type 1 and 3. They are made of mucopolysaccharides that include hyaluronic acid, chondroitin, glucosamine, and all these are naturally occurring within the collagen molecule. They are not added. So that's another important factor. These protoglycans, they actually add as lubricants to our joints, and they, in addition, actually help to reduce the deterioration of our joints. People who have a problem with our arthritis or stiffness, collagen type 2 would help reduce the stiffness in arthritis. So these are some of the differences between, again, understanding what collagen types, what their function. 1 and 3 skin, hair, and nails. Type 2 is for joint health, and it's made up from different sources. Now also you will see in the market, they claim to have type 2 collagen. It's made either from crushed frames, and they claim to have collagen type 2, but also the source. Our collagen type 2, we collect from very young chicks at about between 4 to 8 weeks old. We don't really get the whole big chicken, because the big chicken, as they get older, they have less nutrients. So we get very young chicks because they have the highest protoglycan and highest protein within them in order for that collagen to work. Another important factor about collagen, most people don't realize it is an incomplete protein. Therefore, it has to be taken on empty stomach. You cannot take it with food. If you mix it with food or you mix it with protein, you actually not getting the full benefit of collagen. So it's important to understand that collagen has to be taken on empty stomach to utilize it 100%. So these are some of the factors, again, between the different types of collagen. Now we're going to cover the collagen type 1, 5, and 10, which is made from eggshell membrane. Now this collagen type is actually, again, the amino acid profile differs from all the other types that I mentioned, type 2, type 1, and 3. Type 1, 5, and 10 that made up from eggshell membrane actually has some components that does not exist in the other, like antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory components that helps skin, wound healing, and the particular type X collagen 10, which is a rare type that actually help the formation of our joints and our cartilage. So it's a very important type of collagen, that the type X, which also it's a 10, that plays a role in the production of healthy skin, healthy bones, healthy tendons. So therefore, when we are looking into taking the collagen, again, we are looking at the source. You know, eggshell membrane collagen actually helps in wound healing as well, because collagen, there's type 1 and 5. Type 1 we mentioned earlier, it's in the skin, but type 5 actually exists in the dermal and epidermal and actually plays a role also in producing the skin. You see, there's something called the scaffold, which exists in the matrix of the collagen molecule that helps our skin to regenerate. So this is another important part of collagen that needs to be taken into consideration when I am looking for the type of collagen that I need to take. Do I need one for skin, hair, and nails? Do I need one for joint health? Do I need one for both joint health, tendon, and do I need it for also for skin as well as wound healing? So these types of different collagen, once you understand the types, the function, and the source, then you are really truly begin to understand why collagen is so important, why it differs from any other type. Again, it's a protein, it's an animal source, cannot be produced by GMO, or they say vegan collagen. It does not exist. So understanding the function of the collagen, understanding the amino acid profile of collagen, it's very important, so that way we can understand how to take the collagen that will benefit our skin, hair, nails, bones, ligament, tissues, and so on. As I mentioned, the different types of collagen, 1 and 3, type 2, the eggshell membrane, 1, 5, and 10, the chicken sternum, the type 1 and 3 from skin, from bovine and porcine, what have you. Since we've been in the collagen business since 1986, in 2007 we discovered a newly collagen that it's so incredible no one else in the world has. As a matter of fact, we made some collagen from jellyfish. As you know, in Asia, a lot of you eat jellyfish, and jellyfish is very beneficial. What we have discovered, it is the only collagen type to contain all the essential and non-essential amino acids. I mentioned earlier, the other collagens are incomplete protein because it only has 18 different amino acids, where the jellyfish has all 20 amino acids, the essential and non-essential. In addition, it has something called calcium binding protein. Calcium binding protein actually is our neurotransmitters in the brain are made of. So no other collagen type has calcium binding protein. In addition, it's got 11 different minerals, and there is no other collagen type has any minerals. So you see the benefits being essential, non-essential amino acids, calcium binding protein, and all the minerals. But in addition, it has collagen type 1, type 2, and type 5. So this is really an incredible superfood for the brain. Why do I say superfood for the brain? You see, our neurotransmitters are made up of proteins. Again, proteins or amino acids. So our neurotransmitters are made up of amino acids. The jellyfish has a specific type of amino acids that are very high with the calcium binding protein and the minerals that actually aid our neurotransmitters from declining over time. You know, at age 37, we begin to actually start losing our memory. It goes all the way until we hit 50, 60, 70, and we develop dementia, Alzheimer. By taking jellyfish collagen actually helps our cells and helps our neurotransmitters to reduce the decline over time. So therefore, it's a superfood for the brain, and unlike any other type of collagen. As a matter of fact, jellyfish has been around for 500 million years. They are the only animal in the world that can live in all the ocean zones. You see, jellyfish is 95% water. The 5% left, it's all made up of collagen. The only animal they can swim, actually. Most jellyfish are drifters. They're not a swimmer. This particular type, the edible jellyfish, we discovered they are a swimmer because of the collagen and collagenous material that they contain. And it's a very high protein collagen type. Again, that's why it works on the neurons, it works on the skin, it works on the bones, and again, it is a complete protein. We recommend you take it at night because it's got a tryptophan. The amino acid tryptophan is not in the other types of collagen. So therefore, tryptophan activates the dopamine. Dopamine activates serotonin. During sleep, the body actually repairs itself during serotonin. And what happens is our cells are very smart. So during sleep, the body repairs itself. So you wake up refreshed, and you wake up with more energy, and your memory is not lagging, or you don't have any fog. So this is a very important discovery about the collagen, different types of collagen that actually helps our neurotransmitters. You might see in the market some other companies that offer products for brain health. But in fact, most of it is made of vitamins or either synthesized. There's some products they tell you it's made from jellyfish. In fact, it is synthesized and it's not true jellyfish. Our product from jellyfish is wild caught and it's 100% from the ocean. And as you may be aware, 70% of our body is salt water. So anything that we bring from the ocean into our body can absorb, and this is the only collagen type that it's really closest to human being. So we highly recommend to try our Collagen as well.